Hey, want to lower your energy bills and extend the life of your fridge? This one simple cleaning tip will do both. So first thing that we have to do is pull the refrigerator out from the cabinet. Now the wheels at the bottom, they only go forward and backwards. So if you need to pivot it because you're in a tight area, just be careful. Good tip would be to put some cardboard underneath before you have to rotate it.
So first thing you want to take care of after pulling the refrigerator is removing the plug from the outlet to be safe. So this refrigerator has a water line. Now you want to make sure, just in case, to turn off the water. So sometimes it's going to be on the back wall right there, but other times it's going to be in the basement. How you find it is just find that braided sort of water line and turn off the valve right there. It differs from each house, but that's generally how it looks. After that, you just want to go with a vacuum and vacuum up everything that's back there.
So now that we got access to the back of the refrigerator, what we're going to do is unscrew these screws here with either a screwdriver or a drill and get access to the condenser oils. That's what we're going to be cleaning up today.
Over time, dust and pet hair clog up the condenser oils, making your fridge work harder to stay cold. But with just the vacuum and a brush, you can clean up the buildup in just minutes. So here we are just using a shop vac, trying to get into all the little crevices behind the refrigerator, making sure it's all nice and clean. And also it's a good idea just to give a nice little wipe down with a wet rag to get all the dust that didn't get out with the vacuum. And then you just screw it all back together. Now before you put your refrigerator back, please remember to plug the cord back into the outlet, as I forgot, as you see here. But once you do, then you can roll it back into its place.
Now, if you have a mini freezer like I do, you want to go through the exact same steps of cleaning out the condenser oils by taking out the panel and cleaning it out with a vacuum and a brush. So that's what we're going to do next.
So the process is just the same. You just unscrew all the screws, get your vacuum everything up, that's nice and easy, and then go once over with a wet rag just to collect all the dust that didn't get it with the vacuum. Then you just screw the cover plate back into its position and you're good to go.
There you have it. That's how you can take care of your refrigerator. Save some money on your electricity bill, but also make sure it lasts as long as possible by taking care of it. Now, I suggest normally you should be doing this once a year. Now, if you have any furry friends, dogs, cats, whatsoever, that shed a lot, then maybe you want to do it more often, maybe every 6 months. If you found this video informative, please give it a like. And if you want weekly home maintenance videos to keep up with, please subscribe. Next week, we're going to be taking care of your range hood filters, making sure we keep those nice and clean. So, thanks and have a great day.